Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to insert a SIM card and a microSD card into your Samsung Galaxy M36 5G. Let's dive in. First, you will need the SIM ejector tool. It is usually found in a small box inside your phone's retail packaging. Take it out. Holding your Galaxy M36, look at the left side of the phone. You will see the SIM tray outline with a small hole. Insert the SIM ejector tool into the hole and press firmly until the tray pops out. Now, gently pull the tray out. You will notice this is a hybrid SIM tray. This means you have two main options. Option A, use one SIM card and one microSD card for expanded storage. Option B, use two SIM cards for dual SIM functionality. It is a choice, two SIMs or one SIM plus a microSD card. To begin, place your first SIM card into the first slot. The gold contact should be facing down and the notched corner of the SIM should align with the notch on the tray. Next, take your microSD card and place it in the second slot. Again, the gold contact should face down and the notched corner should match the tray's design. If you want to use two SIM cards, you will need to remove the microSD card. Now, position the first SIM card in the slot 1 and the second SIM card in slot 2. Verify that the gold contacts are facing downwards and the card's notches correspond with the trace outline before proceeding. Once your cards are in place, carefully slide the tray back into the phone until it is flush with the device. Your phone might take a moment to detect the new network. If you have installed two SIM cards, it will automatically take you to the SIM card manager. Here, you can easily set your preferences for which SIM to use for calls, texts, and mobile data. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tips.